All right, it's Dr. Stoker in Los Angeles. I'm thrilled with this beautiful outcome on a beautiful young mom. She's 42, and about 3 months ago, she had a traumatic injury to her pectoralis major muscle on this side while playing tennis, and her breast became swollen and painful. And what had happened is she had a torn muscle which bled into the implant pocket. And then that blood irritated the surrounding tissues and caused both a fluid collection as well as a capsule. So what we did is we took her to the operating room and removed that traumatic hematoma on this side and all the fluid, and also performed a capsulectomy. She has a substantial difference between the two sides of 80 cc's, and so we put new implants in about 100 cc's larger on each side. I'm thrilled with his outcomes. Just 3 weeks post-op, we just removed a little incision tape underneath. But let's hear it from the patient now. How do you feel? Are you happy that you did this surgery?
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I was in so much pain before, and the recovery pain was nothing like the pain I was feeling before. I couldn't sleep at night. I would just feel like it was contracting. It would keep me up all night, and I felt better.
That's really good to hear. And how do you feel about the appearance of your breast now?
Oh, it looks so good. It looks so much better than it did before.